How do you do, teacher?
How do you do? Have a seat, please. Hello, I am a teacher. I am Aurora. And what's your name?
My name is Maylin.
Okay, Maylin. How old are you this year, Maylin?
I am 13 years old.
Okay, you're 13 years old. Where do you live?
I live in Swadin province.
Is it cold today?
No, it isn't.
How many brothers, sisters do you have?
I have a brother and a sister.
Fine. Where did you study?
I study at Motherland International School.
Okay, what do you study?
I study English.
Do you study English part-time or full-time?
I study English full-time.
What time does your class start?
Our class starts 7:30 to 10 in the morning.
Great. Which book do you study?
I study Hadway beginner.
That's right. Okay, and what subject do you study?
I study English.
English subject?
Yes.
Okay.
And math.
And math.
Yes.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is noodle.
Okay. What don't you like?
I don't like chocolate.
Chocolate. How many years have you studied English?
I have studied English 2 years.
2 years. How many times a day do you study?
I study twice a day.
Twice a day.
Yes.
Okay. How many friends do you have?
I have a lot of friends.
Who is your close friend?
My first friend is Chita and David.
Okay, that's very good. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.